It's vegan recipes as far as the eye can
Merry
see.
Christmas! Thanks for stopping by. It's vegan today. I'll be showing you how to make a vegan eggnog. We're going to call it just a holiday nog, and I'm going to show you my favorite version, which is using coconut milk and soy milk and a variety of spices and herbs. But I also want to show you the texture if you happen to be using just one type of plant milk for this. If you want to turn it into an adult beverage, you can always add some rum. We are ready to make our first version. I am using my soy milk, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. This is such an easy recipe. Then I'm putting in my spices. There's nutmeg, allspice, a little bit of salt, and some turmeric. This is the vanilla, and this is the sugar. And you just whip it until it's frothy. At this point, if you are adding any alcohol, you would be adding some rum, or you could use rum extract. Okay, I have all of the varieties of the eggnog made, and I'm going to show you how I serve them. The first one that I want to show you has been made strictly with coconut milk. This is unsweetened, and I made it ahead of time. I would shake it up because this will stay in your refrigerator good for a few days. You can see it's very thin. The next one that I'm showing you was made with this almond cooking milk. The amount of milk that comes in here is 1.5 cups. So I adjusted the recipe accordingly. I want you to see it's a little bit thicker than the one that was just coconut milk. This almond milk I sweetened with dates, so it changes the color a little bit, and it does not sweeten it quite the same amount as sugar. You can see how it pours. It's pretty thin also. And I did find the dates did not sweeten it as much as I would care for it to be sweetened. Also, the coconut milk, the baking almond, and this almond wasn't as sweet and tasty as my final and favorite recipe. So the final and favorite recipe was made with the soy milk, which is fairly rich, and also full-fat coconut milk in a can. So again, you're going to shake it up, and this will freeze. If you happen to freeze it, you will have to re-blend it when it thaws, just to get it all frothy again. This one has a nice, rich, creamy texture, and it's my favorite. It also has a little sweeter taste. And if you want, because this one's so decadent, you could use just a tiny little glass for that. The next thing that I would do, if I had whip, I would put whip on top. If you don't have whip, that's okay. And then take a little bit of nutmeg and just sprinkle some on top. It just makes it look festive. If your glass is short enough, you could always put a cinnamon stick in on the side also. I'm back for a taste test, and I'm only going to taste the one that was made with the soy milk and the can of coconut milk. This is so authentic. It's creamy, it's the right texture, it's what you would be thinking of when you're thinking about an eggnog. Now the other versions are good, but they don't have the same texture, which I think is exactly what you're looking for. So I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you will enjoy our holiday nog.
Please subscribe and keep watching for the bloopers.
Our holiday nog. I hope you'll enjoy our holiday. Enjoy this dessert that our holiday. I hope you